Hey everybody, it's Whitney and I'm live from my bathroom. I just wanted to make this quick video for you all. Since we're all going through a crazy time and stuck at home, I thought that we could have some fun and you can curl your hair with me. This routine can be used to do just your everyday basic curls, and what better time when we're all at home during quarantine is to try out a new morning routine. So first, I blew out my hair after I shampooed it, and I used these three products. I have Redken 1 United. It is a heat protectant and also has 25 other benefits. I start with this first when my hair is wet. Second, I use Kenra Blowdry spray. This is a heat protectant and it helps your hair blow dry 50% faster, which we all need more time usually when we're on our usual routine. And third, because I have naturally curly hair, this product is always my go-to. It's the Pureology Hydrate Shine Max. It's awesome. I end with this. I apply 2 drops in my hands, rub it together, and smooth it through all of my hair when it's wet right before I blow it dry. So let's get into curls. If you're new to curling your hair, this is the perfect beginner video for you. What you want to do is work in sections because sections help you control your hair better. If you go in when everything is down, it's going to be very overwhelming for you. So first I'm going to pin half my hair up, and right now I don't have extensions in. I'm just free. I've actually been on maternity leave, so now my maternity leave has been extended, which is crazy. The first product I'm going to use is ours from the salon. It's a Whitney Beauty Instavolume Dry Texture Spray. I am obsessed with this spray, not only because it's ours, but it has a little bit more hold than your normal texture spray. You can use it with heat products. So it holds, it's like an in-between a texture spray and a hairspray. The curling iron I'm using today is the Babyliss Pro 1 1/4 inch. I'm going with a little bit bigger of a curl just because I kind of want to have some fun with it. You know, this is the perfect time to kind of experiment and just have some fun with your look. So I go in with my first section and I feed my hair into the curling iron and leave the end out and then twirl and release. Second section, I go away from my face again. Slide through. Hold it for a second, swivel, and release. And see, it makes these loose wave curls. My rule of thumb is like from your ear forward, always go like away from your face. And then after that, you can start alternating. This next section, I'm gonna go towards my face. And it is so important to feed your hair into your curling iron, or else all your curl is going to be at the end and your curls will fall really, really fast. Perfect. So I just split my hair down the back, as you can see, and I'll pull like one side forward, and then now we're going to do the other side. I'm showing you all this in real time, so I'm sorry if you get a little bored. But I think it's really important to show people like how long this actually takes, because it can be overwhelming, especially when you go to the salon. I tell my clients all the time, they're like, I want to be able to do this at home, but I'm so overwhelmed. Like, how do you do this? It takes some practice, but once you get it down, it becomes like second nature. And I tell people that just because, you know, we do it all day, every day. You can't compare yourself to that. Then I'm going to do this one away. and they don't have to be perfect. That's what's so fun about today's hair, is that the more effortless, the better. Next, I'm gonna go in with our Whitney Beauty Instabeauty Hairspray and set it on the medium setting, our nozzle swivels, and just spray and leave that section alone. Now, we're gonna go to our second section. This is the middle section. This is usually when you have the most hair, but it's also the lifeline for your style and your volume. And follow up with another round of Instavolume. And start the process all over again. What's good about this 1 1/4 curling iron is that you can take big sections with it. You can take really big sections. How curling irons work is their heat, when it's wrapped around your hair, the heat's on both sides. So with it being a bigger iron, you can take more hair on it, and it heats the section all the way through. What are some of the things you all are doing while you are home on quarantine? I would love to know. I think we all are just doing the best we can, staying home, but I feel like it is so important to keep everyone safe and healthy. I've been home pretty much since January when my baby was born, because he was born in the middle of flu season. So we've been kind of living the quarantine life for a while, and then it became like a real thing. But I think one positive is it's definitely put a good emphasis on family time, and, you know, us really like being grateful for our everyday life from before. I know we all miss the salon terribly. Like all of my web girls, like we talk every day and how we miss each other and our clients, and we just can't wait to get back to be doing hair. See, I always leave like a little inch out and then smooth it by just pulling it out, if that makes sense. Ooh, y'all, I'm shedding. Postpartum hair shed is real. All of my clients for years have told me about it. You all are so right. I'm getting to experience it for myself, and it's crazy. So I'm gonna spray this section again with our hairspray on the medium setting. Then we'll go with our last section. I'm gonna go with the side part today, just filling it. It doesn't show my new growth as bad because all of us beauty people are struggling like with some roots and my lashes are just kind of there. Did my own nails, you know. We suffer too without our other beauty friends to help us out. But sooner than later, we'll be all back and it's gonna be awesome. Also, shout out to all of the essential workers. My mama is one of them. She is a nurse and she is awesome. And a lot of our clients at the salon are medical professionals, and we pray for you all every day. And thank you so much for doing everything that you do, because it's definitely not easy on a normal day, let alone times like these. Okay, I'm gonna go back with this. And I think what a lot of people have a hard time with is hand positioning. Like, I always keep my curling iron vertical. So, like, when I'm like, oh my gosh, I don't know which way to go, I can always, like, go back to that, and that kind of, like, resets it for me. make sure I have everything over this side and this side. Okay, let's start on this next one. What are some of your all's favorite things to do in the morning? I know it's been fun to kind of play around with this extra time just to kind of do something different, like try a new hairstyle or do your own nails or try a new makeup routine. This is the time that we could all practice when life isn't so fast-paced, to kind of figure out maybe what are some things from our old life we want to keep, and then going forward, I know for me this has been so life-changing in so many ways, just because it's like it's an actual reset on what you were doing before, and you can kind of decide, okay, well, do I want to keep doing things this way, or do I want to switch it up a little bit? And that's what beauty is for me, like especially the beauty industry. One reason why I wanted to be a part of it is just because it's so fun, and I love making people feel good, and us just having like time together that's away from, you know, the world and all the craziness that goes on in it. It's just a great time to just take care of yourself. Self-care is so important. And taking the time to do something like this just to make yourself feel better, to go out to conquer your day, no matter what you do. Okay, so when I get to my front pieces, I usually split them again. And I always go away from my face for these pieces, but I try to make them a little bit more straight, just so I'm not like Dolly Parton, even though I love Dolly, but that's not the look I'm going for today. And then split it again. And one more time. I go over, if you have naturally curly hair or are prone to frizz, I kind of go over my sections with my curling iron to straighten them out a little bit before I do the full curl, just to heat them up. Perfect. Alrighty, one more blast of Instabeauty on medium. Now, this is the most important part ever, so I want y'all to listen up. If you're having a hard time making your curls stay, say they just fall completely out, like right after you do them, let them sit. Like right now, what I would normally do is go finish my makeup, go eat breakfast, go, you know, check on Wade, you know, do just, you know, a 5-minute, just let them cool. So we would just let them cool. I'm not gonna do the full 5 minutes, just so y'all know. But if you have a hard time with your curls holding, like the longer the better. I know some girls that do this and literally like walk around for like 30 minutes or more the rest of the morning to help their curls stay. So to make them more like waves, get a wide tooth comb. You can use one like this, or you can use like a traditional pick and just lightly brush them out to where it gives you more of a wave. I know it probably seems like you're just brushing all your curls out, but What's so fun about this is that it makes it more of an effortless, like everyday look, you know? And then last but not least, what I do to my hair is I follow up with a shine spray. This one is Speechless. It's by IGK. We carry it in the salon. We carry all the products mentioned at Whitney Evans Beauty. And I spray my hair just for some shine. It smells so good, like literally, it's like the beach. And it's also can be used for a body spray. So the summer when you're going out, it's perfect. Thank you all so much for watching my video. This was so fun for me to like get out of my shell from maternity leave and from quarantine. Please message me if you would like to see any more tutorials from me or the rest of the team. We miss you all so much and we hope that everyone's staying safe and healthy. Thanks.